Develop an intermediate tutorial on designing artistic photo collages and mood boards that tell visual stories. Teach composition principles, sizing and arranging multiple images for visual balance and impact. Demonstrate blending techniques, overlays, and creative masking to merge images artistically. Cover typography integration, grid-based layouts, and free-form artistic arrangements. Include techniques for color harmony across diverse source images and creating visual connections. Teach proper spacing, hierarchy, and focal point creation. This tutorial targets designers, content creators, and visual communicators needing to create engaging mood boards for presentations, portfolios,